As you can see, she's snowing a little bit harder now. Good Lord. God help us all. Yeah, man, we're in whiteout conditions. You can't even see across the road. You can't even see nothing. The only reason I'm out here is because my wife wants me to be out here. As you can see, man, you can't really see nothing down the road there. This is the 2010 blizzard. Blasting. Oh man, it's bad out here. Real bad. The house, man. I would say, man, we got probably about over 2 foot of snow now. You can see the road, man, the tracks in the road. Look at that, man. And they've done plowed them 3 times. So, I don't know what they're getting in DC, but we're really kicking out here. Got stuff going on over here. Yeah, man, it's real bad out here, real bad. We'll walk out here to the end of the road again. I don't know what they're getting up in New York or anything, but it's real bad out here. Oh man, this is just crazy. I can't even get in our truck. It's froze shut. Ice over the door, 1/2 inch of ice solid. And this is going to go to 8, and it's about 2 now, so, and this done dropped an additional easily 5 inches. Here we go, man. We got one coming down the road. You can't even see the headlights. He's only a block away. You might be able to start seeing him here in a minute. He's turning. This is just crazy. There's Gloop coming out on her porch. And this is just crazy. Oh, this is just crazy. This is right down the road. Zooming in, you can't even see for a block. People are steadily snowing. There's my friend and neighbor James. You can barely see our house from here. It's just crazy out here. It's just crazy. The wind's so whipping so much, man, that it just take away your voice. I've been in some serious skiing conditions, but this is just crazy. I can't even talk. Snow is blowing in my mouth right now. I can't even talk. It's ludicrous. Ludicrous. I love it, man, but good Lord, it is nasty out here. And I'm in ski gear, and my face is numb. Ain't even been out here 5 minutes, and my face is completely wet and numb. There's a garage. Cars, man, just buried. Look, just buried. Look at this. Neighbor's completely blizzard in. Like I said, there's my truck, and we can't even get in it. I'm going to try to attempt to go up my driveway now. Look at this. Look at this. Just zoom out on this. This is crazy. My glasses, I can't even see. It's just crazy. Everything is just white out conditions. State of emergency. No driving. No driving today on this. Maybe if you got a snowmobile and goggles, maybe I need to go in the shop and get my ski goggles out. Oh man, it's just ludicrous out here. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. This is the Laurel, Delaware 2010 blizzard. I am attempting to go through snow right now up to my knees. Oh, this is just crazy. Oh man. Ludicrous, ludicrous. I say, look, I'm gonna give you a close up. There's my There's my footprints. This is just crazy, man, on Delaware. I love it. Oh man, look, man, it's coming down. Look at the tree, man. The tree is just the old pecan tree. It's just, man, I'm telling you, man, this is just crazy. It's a wet snow. It's heavy. Oh man, this is just gonna be ludicrous. 65 Mustang sitting out in it. You gotta love that one. But like I said, you know, the band must go on. Oh man, here's the truck. Check it out. Check this out. Doors frozen solid. The camera is iced over. The camera is literally iced over. Oh man, doors just solid. You cannot believe it. This is just crazy. I've got almost 3 foot snowdrifts in my backyard. All right, we'll report later. See ya.